Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your React.js instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. React.js is an advanced framework based on JavaScript which is used to develop interactive single-page web applications. Throughout this tutorial, we are going to set up a sample applications which includes several steps such as installation of Node.js framework. We can download and install the Node.js from the website https://nodejs.org. Create React project using command npx create react app_name. This command can be executed from console with admin privilege. It will download and install all the Java dependencies and DLLs from the web. Run the app with default setting. By successfully running the application, we can ensure that project is correctly installed. We can view the web in any browser with the URL localhost 3000. Finally, open and clean up project in any editor. We are going to open the project Visual Code Editor and remove all the unwanted codes as a part of cleanup. Let's start with the demonstration. First of all, open the command prompt with admin privilege. Enter the command npx create react app sample_app to create the default React project with the name sample_app. Press enter to proceed with the project creation. This command will download the required components for the React framework and install in the local directory within the project name. It will create the folder with the project name and store all the Java components and files here with standard structure. The installation will take few minutes depending on the network speed to download all the components. Let's wait for that. After completion of the installation process successfully, Happy Hacking message will be displayed at the end line. We are now ready to play with the React. The complete React packages are now available with standard folder structure. We will now run the default project. Type command cd sample_app to enter into project and run the project using command npm start. This command will start the development server for this React project and launch the newly created React web application in default web browser. By default, the locally hosted application is working in the port 3000. This default view signifies that setup is working correctly. That's all about React project creation. We will now show how to edit and clean up this project in the Visual Studio Code editor. Visual Studio Code is a free tool which can be downloaded from internet. From the menu option, File-Open Folder, which is available in the Tools header section, we can browse the project path and open the React project as folder. It will load all the project components which are showing in left Navigation Explorer section. We can drill down any of the folder within the project from here and open any files for editing. Also, it will allow to create any folders or files. Any npm command can be executed from the terminal of the tool. Terminal section can be launched from Terminal option, which is available under Header menu view. We can enter the command npm start from this terminal to run and start the web server for this React project. It will start the server and launch the application within few seconds. We will going to remove the unnecessary codes to clean up the React project. First, we will remove the logo.svg file by pressing delete key and confirming the warning. Similarly, we need to remove report webvitals.js, setuptests.js and app.test.js files from the src folder. Now, remove the unwanted codes from index.js file. After this, open file app.js and remove garbage codes. Now, add a text sample web application within the h1 tag for the display purpose. It will be treated as application header. The cleanup is now completed. Save the project and go to the browser to check the application title is displayed correctly. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about React.js project setup. We will learn more about React in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.